Reactjs Interview conducted by Helical IT Solution. First round was a test in which Reactjs and JavaScript related MCQs multiple choice questions are asked. First problem was, what will be the following JavaScript code output? Where in a for loop we are calling set timeout, and in which we are calling a function alert I after 1 second of delay. So what will be the output? I want you to pause the video and try to answer it. Correct answer is second option, number 3 alert 3 times. Second problem, what will be the following JavaScript code output? We have given a immediate invoking function in which we have declared where a equals to b equals to 5. Correct answer is option B. It will print 5. Third option, React component should always extend react.component. I am not sure about this, but if we are talking about class component in React, yes, it must be, because without react.component we cannot use lifecycle methods like component did mount, component will unmount, and the constructor methods and render methods. To use this method we have to extend react.component. Next problem, this lifecycle method are called only once for each React component by default. 4 options are given: constructor, component did mount, all, get initial state. Correct answer is all, because constructor and component did mount and get initial state are called only once. And the bonus point is constructor and get initial state are the same. In ES5, to initialize state we use get initial state, whereas in ES6 we use constructor to initialize the state. Next question, React component is updated by default whenever. 4 option is given: state of React component is updated, parent component is updated, all, or set state is used. So correct answer is all. Next question, React uses virtual DOM for the following reason. All of the above: can directly update HTML, creates new DOM if elements updates, it update faster. So correct answer is all of the above. Next, the methods which are must define in React component. The correct answer is render, because the render method must be defined, otherwise it will not return JSX element which needs to be shown in the HTML, right? So the constructor and get initial state is used to initialize the state. Class component can be a stateless component, right? So my answer is render. If you know the correct answer, please comment below. Next, render can return. So correct option is JSX, option 1. To use the Flux outside the store, it should be, 4 option is given: always export from store class and import in React component, cannot be updated, none, not required, can be actions. I'm not sure about the answer, but I guess the correct answer is always export from store class and import in React component. If you know the correct answer, please comment below. Next, Ajax call should be done from this method: in a render method, in a constructor, a component did mount, and component did update. Correct answer is component did mount. Ajax call should be called in component did mount. Can a change in Flux be listened by React component? Again, I am not sure about the answer, but I guess yes, it can listen directly. If you know the correct answer, please comment in below. Second, next problem, set state is, two option is given, a synchronized function, or second option is synchronized function. So set state is a synchronized function. While testing on consoling a React component, it appears as first class, none is correct, third is object, and last one is a function. Correct answer is a function. When we console a React component, it appears as a function. A small front-end challenge. We have to modify the component so that you can properly toggle the button to switch between on state and off state. When button is on, then it is clicked, it turns off, and the text within it changes from on to off, and vice versa. It's a simple React problem that can be achieved by use state. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the content, please like and subscribe.